According to HG, their oven, grill and barbecue cleaner will have your oven sparkling clean the first time around. Let's check it out. Hi John.
Hi.
I'm curious if your oven, grill and barbecue cleaner can remove burned on fat in one go without damages.
Shall we take a look?
Yes.
Just spray our oven cleaner on the baked on residues and leave it to work for 3 to 5 minutes. See? Squeaky clean and no scoring pad.
Good in one go, but other oven cleaners can do this too, right?
Well, most other oven cleaners take much more time, sometimes 15 to 20 minutes. And they are not always suitable for the surface on which you apply them. And sometimes they also leave chemical residues.
Can I also use this for the microwave?
No, the inside of a microwave is made of totally different material than in an oven. Plus, the type of residue that you find in a microwave is also totally different. For that, we have developed our AG microwave cleaner.
Let me guess, it also gave us sparkling results in one go?
Absolutely.
Thank you for the clear explanation, John.
You're welcome.
And there we have it. HG Oven, Grill and Barbecue Cleaner will have your oven clean the first time around, without scratches and damage.